Claire, the digital assistant for property managers, is now able to chase rental arrears and do it in a really efficient way. So let's take a quick look at how Claire's learnt rental arrears and what she can actually do. So Claire monitors the property management trust accounting software, understands when they're in arrears, how much they're in arrears, what date they were due by, what the address of the property was all about. So when she goes out with really clear information. From there, she asks a question, when can you make payment? Which is really what we're trying to establish. And then from there, because they're being asked a question, they're not dismissing it. So the response rate is really high on Claire's outbound messaging. And as a result, she can chase it. Now, in the settings, she can chase it daily, weekly. She can chase it on an escalating basis. She can write tasks back to trust accounting. She can update the property manager on what's happened on the output of that conversation. And she will unrelentingly go and chase that rental arrears without any intervention by human beings. So identifies the tenant that needs to be chased, chase them on an escalating basis, gives them the right information, talks to them about why they can't pay it. So they might turn around and say, I lost my job, or I need a payment plan. Not a problem. Claire can handle those conversations, have a really smart conversation back, and then escalate it to the property manager, put a task in the property management software to go and escalate it or to create a payment plan. She does all of these things just like a human being might do, and saves you a lot of time. So that's Claire and how she's learned rental arrears. Give us a call or book in for a demo from our website if you'd like to know more.